My name's Steve Swindon and I'm CEO of TAPE, Community Music and Film. We are a community arts charity based in Old Colwyn in North Wales, and we were set up nearly 10 years ago with the core aim of providing a safe and inclusive space in which people can explore their creative ideas. So over the last 9.5 years we've supported thousands of people across Wales to develop their ideas and their interests and careers, and training and portfolios through all sorts of creative activities, anything you can think of. I suppose the main ethos of TAPE is that it's for everybody, and as such there's a really strong social care thread that runs through the work that we do. I think one of the other aspects of our work that's involved in this nomination is our work around film and inclusive opportunities in filmmaking. For the last year we've been touring around our first feature film, British Winters, and that's a project that has been recognised by the BFI as a leading example of how feature films can be delivered differently and in a more inclusive way. Over 50% of the 115 plus people who were involved needed additional support in one way or another to be part of that project, and you don't see that on screen. What you see on screen is a really interesting, well-told story, but behind that are countless stories of how people have been supported in a person-centred way to have an experience of being part of a film crew that has led people into university and into other film projects, into projects with other providers, which is really exciting. And now we're working on our second one, and a second feature film, and that's including things like writing, animating, soundtrack, prop making, screenplay, you name it, looking for locations, casting. Every aspect of that film is being delivered in an inclusive way, and that's, I think, reflective of the work that we do across everything we do here.